Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio here. Got one for you today. First things first, like, subscribe before we even jump into this package that's for sale. And also an apology. We are running full blast in the shop today, so we've got machines going in the background. Maybe you'll hear them. Let's set the tripod up just a little bit better. There we go. Let's see what's in the box. So I am selling my Icom 706 kit. You might ask yourself, why are you selling this? The reason I'm selling it doesn't matter. What matters is that it's a good deal, it's available for sale, and it can get you started in HF and VHF operations in amateur radio. So let's talk about accessories first. What does it come with? It comes with brand new in the package, not opened yet, a DigiRig mobile interface. What's so good about this? Well, let me tell you right here. You can do FT8 and digital modes with this older radio. Now, just because it's old doesn't mean it's bad. It also comes with a Z100A desktop antenna tuner. The Z stands for zero power, so it runs off the radio. It's not in this box, but this is the original box. It comes with adapter cables for every major brand. So if you sell this radio and keep the tuner, you have cables for it, which is really neat and handy. In hindsight, I probably should just keep this tuner, but I'm not. I want to let it go with the radio. Now for the goods of the operations, folks. The Icom 706 in the Apache case. Yes, the orange Apache case does come with it. Pop it open. It is waterproof. It comes with a remote extension, remote head cable. And then we have the radio package. We're going to get this on the bench where you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so now we're on the bench with the actual radio. I love this radio, guys. I really hate to sell it, but I got some cool things coming for the channel, and this had to go to support it. So, what do we got? We got 100 watts on HF. VHF is 10 watts. We have the LDG tuner with no power. It's automatically connected via the adapter in the back. To tune it, all you have to do is hit the tune button. Now, there's no antenna with that, so it's going to tune. It's not going to tune. So, fantastic. Also feature about this radio, this specific radio, it is Mars modded. So you can do other things with it. If you want to go to memory channels and operate in other places, you can. But keep in mind the FCC rules, regulations, and do things at your own risk if you choose to do things. But it will transmit outside of the amateur radio bands for those of you who are involved with Mars. So, what do we got? We got the radio, the tuner cables, the digital interface, brand new, and the remote head kit. Everything you need to get started in your mobile or your base right here. 73, guys. Easy Amateur Radio. Check it out on QRZ.